Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium house with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You will need several large, sturdy cardboard sheets, perhaps from appliance boxes, along with a sharp utility knife, a long ruler, and a reliable hot glue gun. Always ensure you have a spacious, flat work surface. Remember to prioritize safety when handling sharp tools and hot glue throughout your project. Next, it is time to design your house. Begin by sketching your desired layout, including all walls, the roof, and any openings for doors or windows. Carefully measure and mark each individual piece onto your cardboard sheets. Precision is key here, so use your ruler for straight lines. Then, with great care, cut out all your components using the utility knife, ensuring clean, crisp edges for a strong build. Now, let us assemble the main structure. Start by hot gluing your 4 wall panels together at their edges, forming the basic box shape. For added strength, reinforce all interior seams with additional strips of cardboard, securing them with more hot glue. Once the walls are firm, carefully attach your roof pieces to the top edges. Take your time to ensure the entire structure is stable and stands upright. Finally, it is time for the fun details and finishing touches. Cut out and attach any windows, doors, or other architectural features you designed. Now, unleash your creativity. Decorate your cardboard house using paint, markers, colored paper, or even fabric scraps. You might even consider crafting tiny furniture or adding some landscaping elements around it. Your unique, medium-sized cardboard house is now complete and ready for enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.